again. I'm back with another outfit video. Today I'm doing kind of like a corporate goth inspired look. I know wearing see-through tops isn't really acceptable in all corporate settings, so obviously if you work in a corporate place where a see-through top would get you sent home, then wear a tank top underneath this instead of a cage bra. But everything that I'm wearing is credited in the description below, obviously, as usual, and I'm having a struggle of a time getting this little cage bra over my regular bra, but it's really hard to strap these things when you can't see where you're going. So I do not work a corporate job. I am an esthetician and I do electrolysis, so most of my days I'm in scrubs. So I feel like when I do corporate goth looks, I'm really just kind of like fantasizing about how I would dress if I worked in a workplace where I actually dressed up and wasn't wearing scrubs or an apron. So that is what you guys are getting today. I love these high-waisted pants. These are by Hell Bunny, and I feel like they really kind of, I don't know, they kind of work with everything. They can be dressy, they can be casual, they can be vintage, they can be modern, and they're black. So, you know, obviously black matches with everything, and I do wear a lot of black these days. So I decided to go with gold jewelry for this look. I'm kind of back and forth between gold and silver these days, but gold won out here. I don't know what it is about gold, but it just feels a little bit more, I don't know, sophisticated, even though I'm wearing a snake ring and, you know, jewelry that's not the most sophisticated, but I don't know, it still feels just a little bit more high end to me. No offense meant to anybody that wears a lot of silver. I don't remember where I got these earrings. I think it was just like a little shop in Joshua Tree or something. They're just unbranded, but I absolutely love them. And I hope that those little tassels never wear out because I will be very sad if I cannot wear them anymore. Another thing I pretty much never wear anymore are heels. So I basically just have heels in my room so that I can make videos and show you how cute they look with things. Although I do wish I wore them more, and when I watch these videos back and I do these voiceovers, I'm like, oh man, that looks really cute. I should wear heels more. So anyways, here's the finished look. I hope you liked it. If you want to see me do more outfit videos, please let me know. And I hope everybody is having a good day, a good week, a good month, a good year, and I will see you next time.